Hey everybody, it's me, the infamous DG, Maplewood, day 45. Upload a video to YouTube every day, 100 days in a row. Just getting my clubs dried off. Had a lot of fun at Maplewood. Played this game called Horse Race. All the golfers tee off at the same time, and then whoever has the lowest score, or excuse me, the highest score gets eliminated. Everybody with that same high score gets eliminated, and then you play till there's only one team left. It was raining out there quite a bit.
Only at Maplewood.
We didn't do that great. Our team was eliminated 4th overall, I think. So, that's pretty much why our handicaps are the way they are.